Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best string trimmers available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best string trimmers, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Greenworks 40V 12-inch cordless string trimmer. It's hard to believe you can find a capable 40V string trimmer at just over $100. But the Greenworks is just that. While this trimmer isn't geared toward heavy-duty use, it's perfect for the average lawn with a mix of everyday weeds. The automatic line feed eliminates the need to bump the head against the ground, which prevents damage to your lawn. While this may not be everyone's preference, we enjoyed the undersized debris guard, as it made it considerably easier to get in tight spots like beneath playground equipment. Number 2. Worx GT Revolution 20V 12-inch string trimmer. The Worx GT Revolution is full of clever features. The swiveling, adjustable head changes positions to become a wheeled edger that allows even newbies to crisply edge a sidewalk. Once you're finished, move the wheels and adjust the head once more to turn it into a mini mower. At first, I wasn't sure I'd utilize this feature much, but I found myself reaching for the Worx GT to mow between the rows in my garden and along the rock pack, both places where standard mowers and string trimmers struggle. Plus, the integrated guard made it possible to trim weeds right against my flower stems without cutting them. Last but not least, the trimmer holds an additional spool of line on the handle, which saves you a trip to the shed when you run out of line. Number 3. Husqvarna 128LD 28cc gas 17-inch string trimmer. There's no stopping the Husqvarna 128LD string trimmer. With a 28cc gas engine and a 17-inch cutting swath, you can quickly tame a lot of overgrowth. With immense power and the lengthy run time of gas power, this Husqvarna is a must-have for large properties or heavy-duty trimming needs. Plus, this trimmer is attachment-ready like the DeWalt and available at nearly half the price of the other gas-powered trimmer we tested. Number 4. Ego Power Plus 15-inch string trimmer. Overall, our favorite option was Ego's Power Plus string trimmer. Assembly took us 10 minutes and we really liked that it comes with pre-mounted screws, so we didn't have to worry about losing any screws in the packaging. Despite having a larger battery, we were impressed by how lightweight this option was. This string trimmer was comfortable to use and we appreciated that you can move the handle to different positions on the shaft. What we liked most, though, was the line load feature. Loading a new line was simple and intuitive, requiring us to only string a new line through the tool head's center and pressing a button for auto winding. When it came time to charge it, the battery only took a quick 20 minutes to charge fully, and this single charge was enough for us to get through 2 yards. When putting it to the test in those 2 yards, this electric trimmer cut through everything we put it up against with ease, and we were even able to use it upside down for basic edging. Number 5. Makita Brushless String Trimmer Kit. We think this string trimmer from Makita is worth the investment. Assembly took us 10 minutes and we only had to use the included hex wrench a handful of times. Plus, it earned bonus points by featuring a space in the shaft to store the hex wrench for easy accessibility. This lightweight option was fully capable of reaching everything that we needed it to, and our noise-sensitive tester also had no complaints about its sound levels. In terms of trimming power, it features 3 different speeds to be able to cut through larger growth or to handle the finer trimming details around landscaping. The string trimmer features an automatic torque drive to handle speed adjustments on its own, and there's also a reverse button to untangle anything should it get stuck. It took the batteries on this option between 60 and 90 minutes to charge. However,